Sanibonani ma-South Africans. Igama lami nguThulani Shongwe, Member of Parliament, deployed by Umkhonto weSizwe under the leadership of President Jacob Zuma. This is part one of my video where I explain what happened to me kule incident engenzakalele. I'll have a part two where I will explain how I probed or questioned Mr. Matlala kahle. South Africans ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu ngiyayithoba uthando eningibonise lona. Abanye benu bangikhulekele, some of you wrote text, some of you tried calling on the next day of the incident when I started to have a phone. I appreciate kakhulu. Let me explain. I went to a Tembisa, eHlobenzam. And immediately when I stopped, two guys came from both sides of the vehicle. They told me to lie down. You know the process. They take me bangifake emotweni bahamba nami. Endleleni, what amazes me is that one of the guys called me ngegama lami and spoke about umsebenzi wami. Uthi ngithi nawe wenza umsebenzi wakho, you ask people questions. Wathatha lama questions. Nathi senza umsebenzi wethu. Siyeke thula shongo. So that happened. But amaphoyisa will deal with that matter. Sebengireleasile, it was in the early AMs. I then went to police station, did the case. When I was done, it was around about 5 a.m. or so, where I went to the hotel where we were kept as members of parliament. I prepared for the next day, which is now dressing up. Tried to sleep a bit, I couldn't because of the trauma. It was now Thursday where MPs will be questioning Babu Ket Matlala. Now people are asking, why did I go to Msebenzini with bantu bakithi ngihlala elokishini, ngikhulele eThwathwa East eDaveyton. Ngikhulele eMaphupheni, ngikhulele elokishini endala ngase stadium, Sinaba Stadium. These things zokubanjwa inkunzi, these things zokuhijackwa, the kidnappings. Elokishini is wrong ukuthi ngisho kanje, kodwa it's normal. Ubanjwa inkunzi kusasa kumele uvuke emsebenzini ngoba uma ungaya emsebenzini ingane ziyodlana. I needed to fulfill my duty engiyithunywe yiSouth Africans, South Africans, of questioning and wanting answers from Ubabu Matlala, Ket Matlala. So I went to work. Yes, I did go to work after the incident. I don't regret doing that. It was very difficult because it made me very emotional. Umuntu ongibingelelayo sawubona, ngiyaphila sawubona. But maye ngibuza ukuthi unjani? Hey, inyembezi beyihlala la. Kubuhlungu isimo engingasifiseli noma ubani. But thina baselokishini into ehlala ikhona, inhlala yenzeka. This is why I joined the committee of police to say I need to help siqinise amaphoyisa sibone singasiza kanjani. So in that incident ke kwenzakele ukuthi sithola kusimo sokumele ngibuze Babu Matlala. I can't lie about it. I wasn't prepared because remember bangithethe ebusuku ngabo 10 bayongikhulula ekseni. So I wasn't prepared kakhulu the way I usually do. But what I want to address in this matter is that from day one Babu Mkhwanazi angikaze ngambiza general kakhulu. Ngimbiza general lapha nalapha kodwa ngimbiza Babu Mkhwanazi. Akusukuba soft kuye inhlonipho. Babu Sibiya, General Sibiya did the very same thing. Akusukuba soft ukuhlonipha. Babu Nkabinde same, angikaze ngambiza ngerank Babu Nkabinde, hlele ngimbize Babu Nkabinde. Mama Johnson, I did that as well, ukuhlonipha. Babu Cele, I did that. Gogo Mary Dihas, I called her ugogo because inhlonipho leyo. That's why ngingaseka masekaphakamelwa umoya ngehla ngahlala phansi because akumelanga ngikhulume nomuntu omdala kabi, be it wenzeni. Now, some people when I spoke isiZulu were like thina kasicabangela uShongwe. So umuzwa kanjani asisazi isiZulu, which was fair. even the chairperson of the committee addressed me. Some people I spoke isiSotho or iSpedi. Not that good ngaso, but I tried. Then some Zulus speaking Xhosa and Swati complained, hey, asibuzwa manje. And I understand. Kok Meriti has, I tried speaking Afrikaans to her. She's not an African speaker. I even doubt that she's a South African. So when I spoke to Kate Matlala, I spoke in a Kasi language. So Tsital, which is most spoken to a Gauteng kakhulu. Pretoria, Kandlela, badi Jaja. Maybe, I don't know, in terms of my posture, but I feel I tried to be me. Yes, I couldn't be me, but I was very emotional. I don't want to lie. Bengibuhlungu emoyeni bengikhala. Bekunzima bengiye etoilet ngiyosula inyembezi ngibuye. Because uNkulunkulu umphefumulo wami usindisile. Asibonga isigebengu kodwa lezi ngiyayibonga ukuthi azingibulalanga. Ngiyacela futhi singasabulala abantu zibiyeke nobugebengu. Ngiyayibonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu nje umphefumulo wami usindisile. South Africans, in most of my videos, this one, Yaga Kate Matlala, is the highest in numbers. But most of those comments, 80 to 90%, are very positive. People understand that I'm a person who questions calmly. I use the strategies of Kulma now. I give you a safe space. I need us to have what we call safe space where we interact. And I get information. I change the system of Kulma Nabantu, not to Kulma Namuntu, but one thing I maintain is respect. Remember, I serve under leadership Kababu President Jacob Zuma, who is very strategic, always calm and well-articulated president. UDP, first DP, Judge Hlophe, uyawazi umthetho, naye very calm and soft-spoken, but direct. My second DP, a very well experienced comrade, MK veteran, calm, very strict, but that leader has indlela and a precision yokukhuluma nomuntu. Chairperson Natintleko, same, soft-spoken, ahlonipha, gets a point across, and well-experienced in government. Deputy yakhe Babu Mkojo, an MK veteran. Deputy bese kuba Secretary General. Soft, hlale hleke indoda yakhona, got the point across, respect ikhona lapho. Deputy Secretary General, a well-spoken, beautiful lady, well-articulated, soft, hlonipha ikhona lapho. TG, Babu Umpiyake, soft, gets a point across. That's the leadership we serve under. We have head of presidency, Ubab Magasela, strict, yathethisana, corrects on the spot, into yenza wrong, akalindi ukuthi niyele. That's the leadership that keeps us on our toes. They monitor us. So that's the leadership we serve under. So I think I may have maybe not pleased some South Africans where I was not as strong as they wanted me to come across. Kubabu Kate Matlala. Yeah, I think I may agree. I don't recall Kahlele state of mind, but I was very emotional. But I tried to pull out of that and do my work. People are questioning that. Guys, we don't have that. I don't blame Amanda Batlala out of Logish. This thing has happened many times now. I apologize to those, and I take the criticism. I will learn from it and try to understand. I also welcome the positive comments that you guys made, which also teaches me as well, what do I need to change and what do I do? But what I always do, I speak to people in Kulmangai. Some say in sarcasm, some say I don't have it, some understand my strategy. But Kumatlala, I needed two things. I needed confirmation of Uqele, how many times he has been in his house. Uqele said twice. Matlala ungvezele more. Ungvezele imali. Metropolitan, the company that Umatlala got a tender for 360. That company got the same tender for 1.9 billion according to Umatlala. So